Hi everyone, it's with that Treasure Hunt and welcome back to the channel. So, all kinds of fun things going on. Collabs and everything. And my lipstick's off. Anyway, another one is freezer challenge. So, we're going to step into the freezer here and see what's going on. So, that kind of needs to be cleaned. So, the bottom's what I use. So, we got cauliflower that has just been gotten. And then we have turkey bacon. I've got some frozen chicken. Some banana soup. I got some frozen ground turkey. Some more soup. Some more frozen ground turkey. These are ground turkey sausages, patties. This is my kale. It's either kale or mustard greens, one of two. I got some frozen dry nut mix. This is spinach. Oh, these are those muffins. Oh my goodness. These are dry petted dates. Muffins that we made. Oh my goodness gracious. A frozen bag of broccoli. Some more soup. Some more ground turkey. I can leave that one out. It's a whatever night tonight. We got popsicle sticks. Some frozen bananas that probably need to be thrown away. Oh goodness. We have some frozen cranberries. I just got those. And this is the frozen chicken curry that they make, and I froze it because I can at least have it once in a while. So those are still good. Alright, I got some frozen broccoli ends. Those that you can thaw out, you shred them up, and you can use that to make broccoli slaw. But I'm gonna cook those to like almost tender, and then do something fun with that. So some more soup. And this looks like vegetable soup. That's what that is. And then we have some frozen chicken. And another thing of turkey bacon. So, with that, I'm gonna clean the bottom of the freezer out. But we do have stuff. Alright, so at the top I've got yellow split peas and green split peas. I also have this. I have no idea what it is because it's not labeled. But it looks like chocolate. Okay, I'll thaw it out. Find out what it is. But we have this is their beef stew, so we have that up there. Then we got frozen I'll show you in just a minute. kind of a little embarrassed about the being dirty. Alrighty. Let me wipe this down real quick. I don't see how, because nothing's in here that was splattered or anything else. No. So who knows? Alright. The only thing about I used clean stuff that I made. I really don't want any chemicals in here. But the thing about that is made with water. So it kind of fries at the same time. So let's see here. Alright, so let me turn y'all around. Y'all can see. Like I said, I don't understand. Nothing spilt. Nothing popped. Alright. That in the trash. Let me get more paper towels. So when you clean it out, what do you use to clean your freezer? Oh, there we go. All right. Do you clean it once a week? Do you just fly by the seat of your pants? How do you do that? So I'm going to put back the curry first. And then we'll have this organized. This is my soup, so kind of like put this at the beginning. So that kind of might need to be thawed out. And I think this is like the liquid from the curry. So we'll put that in there. This is another one of my soups. I know this is soup too. So then my ground turkey and my soup. Yeah, these are the bananas. We're gonna leave that out. So next I'm gonna put back these and the nut mix, and then we'll put the cauliflower in there because I can use that to make a Alfredo sauce or a dip. So, and then we have these that can be used up. I'll put that up first. And then next are like frozen. Yeah, so this is like next year. So this I want to keep out, this turkey. And then I've got to find that extra thing of bacon. Put that there. And then we have this ground turkey, which we'll probably be using next week. And then put the cherries there. So So this is Anastasia's chicken nuggets. They've got frozen burritos. This is frozen fruit, and then the chickpeas and some rice in there was just to fill up space and everything. And I also have a thing of frozen ground turkey that I'll just stick it right there. And then I have the frozen vegetables, so I can definitely use these up. So I'll probably be using them Sunday. I'll put this other chicken back in here. And so those are the bananas. And then I have my turkey sausage. I'm going to put that right there. And that can be microwaved. So that's good. And then Anastasia has only 3 popsicles left. One that goes out, one on the floor. How about that? So, there we go. Decluttering the freezer. The little bit right there that really need to go through and everything. You know, and see what we have, what we don't have. I think we're pretty good. So, thank y'all for watching. And ring that bell for notifications. And we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.